Hey guys, Ed here, and today we have a 2011 Subaru Impreza, and in this video I'll show you how to remove your taillights. It's actually a very simple procedure. All you have to do, you must have a 10mm ratchet with a socket and a flathead screwdriver with some tape. Any tape will work. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna unscrew these two screws, 1 and 2. So we take our 10mm and unscrew them. Okay, so I got out 2 screws. Just put them here for now. Now I'm gonna take some tape and put over the screwdriver, because what we'll have to put the screwdriver in here and help to get the bulb or the light this way. But I don't want to scratch the paint inside, so I'm gonna put some tape just for safety measure. Okay, so I did it approximately this way, very simple. And now what we're gonna do, now look, I'm gonna put the screwdriver in here a little bit, and I'm just gonna force the light out. Okay, I'm gonna force it this way to the right. We're gonna do this one hand here, but again, if you're gonna do this too hard, you're gonna crack the light here, and it's gonna break. I mean, you're just gonna have a crack on the light. So what you're doing here, just pressing with one hand the light this way, and with the other hand you're trying to grab somewhere here and pull. Okay, so this is the whole thing. I'm going to try to do this now and film this. Okay, so you got the picture. I'm gonna put the camera down so I can actually do this. Alright, so the catch is that this thing goes in here, okay, and you can't get it out that way. You just have to, there's only one way it could come out. It's okay, so we got it out, no damage, all good. So here we have our bulbs, just in case if you need to replace the bulbs. And yeah, just get the bulb, whichever bulb you need, replace it. You can the bulb is just spin. This turn signal, you just spin it like this. Put it in and replace it if you need. Okay, so to put it back in, same way. You align that this thing goes in here. So do that. And meanwhile, okay, so we have this and this side here. Also check, make sure it's aligned, and then just press on the light. Okay, you might have to tap on the light so you could actually get it in. Once you have it in, take your 2 screws, put them back in place here, and you'll be all set. So as you can see, this is a very simple procedure. Hope this helps, and if it does, press like button and have a great day.